Welcome to my simulator. What can you see inside the simulator?
Let's start, but before this all, I will introduce myself first.
I am John Philip Rosillo. I will show you the parts of simulator. And this is the thruster. This is the thruster control, the flare log, and this is the sound signal. And this is the steering wheel and throttle, combinator control, anchor control, VHF disc, and VHF.
This is the opposite.
And this is the commutator control, sound signals, visual control, gyro repeater, and weather indicator. Watch responsibility, engine control, AIS display, and this is the radar. To get the distance of the radar, this is touch the EBL2 and this is the steering system, gyro repeater. This is the steering wheel and this is the echo sounder. This is the echo sounder, and this is the GPS, engine alarms, and intercom.
Yeah?
And this is the plugs to be used in ship E to Z. And this is the chart. This is the chart. That's all. I am just Philip Rosillo again. Thank you.